Cash Giraffe does not use traditional game rooms like a casino app. It offers users different activities and offers that can change based on availability. By the end, you'll know how Cash Giraffe activities work, how to choose better options, and what to check before spending time on a specific offer. The main thing to understand is that the best option on Cash Giraffe depends on which activities are available in your account and which ones match your goals. Cash Giraffe rewards users for completing tasks through the app, which can include trying games or completing offers. Different users may see different activities because offers can depend on location, device, and account availability. A good way to choose activities is to check the requirements before starting. Look at what actions are needed, how much time the task may take, and whether the reward is worth the effort. Avoid starting an activity just because it shows a high reward. Some offers may require more steps, longer play time, or specific progress goals before rewards are credited. Another useful step is tracking your progress. If an offer requires reaching a certain level or completing a specific action, keep screenshots or records of your progress in case you need to check the reward status later. The best activities are usually the ones that clearly explain the requirements and match how you already use your phone. If you enjoy certain types of games, those offers may feel easier to complete than activities you do not enjoy. Before committing time to any Cash Giraffe offer, read the details carefully. Check the reward amount, completion requirements, and any restrictions listed inside the app. Remember that available activities can change over time. An offer that appears today may not be available later, and new options may appear in its place. The key points are: Cash Giraffe does not have fixed, best rooms, available offers vary by user, and checking requirements before starting helps avoid wasted time. The practical next step is to open your Cash Giraffe offer list, compare the available tasks, and choose the ones with clear requirements that fit your usage habits. If this helped you understand how to pick better Cash Giraffe activities, subscribe for more app guides, fixes, and reward app explanations.